Project name is Corona Social Distance Warning Cap. This is a rotating cap which is mounted with a sensor. This sensor will rotate in about 270 degrees and it will warn if any person comes close by to the person. Whenever a person is close by, it gives a beep warning so that you can alert yourself as well as you can protect others from corona. Now it can be powered using a battery. Either you can connect a battery here or you can use an adapter. Since we are using in an exhibition, the battery gets drained out quickly, so we are using an adapter in this case. Now let us see the circuit in operation. This is an ultrasonic sensor. In this, one is transmitter, other is receiver. It will transmit ultrasonic waves, and if any obstacle is there, the ultrasonic waves will be detected by the receiver and it will give a beep sound. Now the bottom one is a servo motor. This motor will rotate 180 degrees so that it can scan the entire area around the person. Now this is a buzzer circuit which will give buzzer sound. This is an adapter input. You have to connect adapter here, and this is the adapter which you have to connect into the main supply. This board is called the microcontroller board. This is Arduino microcontroller board. It is the brain of this circuit. It detects the transmission of the waves and the reception of the waves, and it will trigger the buzzer. Now let us see the demo. Connect the adapter in the power supply. If any obstacle comes, it will give a beep like this and it will continue to scan like this. Now its range can also be increased using programming. We have set this range about 50 centimeters.
Corona